Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. The phrase for this week is me kaute ngā. Me means let's, kaute is one of the ways of saying count, and ngā is because there's a plural. So me kaute ngā means let's count the. And it appears in two of our books actually. So we've got me kaute ngā in our shapes book. And so on this one we're saying my fingers make a heart, and we're saying me kaute ngā manawa. Let's count the hearts. So the illustrator Josh Morgan has illustrated lots of hearts there beautifully. So each page has let's count the different shapes. So you could be talking about counting the shapes if you're talking about the shape words in te reo Māori, such as tapatoru for triangle, or manawa for heart, or porofita, porohita for circle, etc. You can look around the room and say me kaute ngā, let's count the tapatoru, me kaute ngā tapatoru, and you can say it like that. So children, you're kind of translating what you're saying. And then the other book that we've got it in is our Christmas book. And so when you're getting closer to Christmas, you might like to use this in the same way. So this is me kaute ngā on this page, for example, pōtai kirihimete, let's count the Christmas hats, tahi, rua, toru. When you're counting something, it's good to add in the Māori counting numbers, especially if that's something that you're wanting to teach. You can count in English if you like, or you can count in both, or other languages. Me kaute ngā pōtai, for example, you might have lots of hats on a rack which the children have put there, or in a box or a bin, and then you're counting them, tahi, rua, toru, and it's a really practical way of counting. And then it's teaching this phrase me kaute ngā, and children will start using that phrase as well. So I really encourage you to find some things around the classroom that you can count and use me kaute ngā with children. Ka kite.